In. Hello mga ka-fab! Main entrance, ito how it looks like. Kung na lang natin, katiri ka na. May swimming pool kayo and gym. There you go. Checking in. Fill up. So hopefully they'll give me the room. Check-in time is 2 p.m. But if they have an available room, they'll give me one. Andiyan si Mr. Ke?
Wala po.
Wala. Okay, sige. Thank you.
Here for your ID.
So it was exactly 12:25 p.m. and the receptionist gave our room key and paakyat na tayo dun sa taas. They gave us the 4th floor. And nice service. I love it here. I can feel the vibe of the staff. Good job. 4th floor, here we come. So room 425 tayo. Hanapin natin yung room mga ka-fab. Hello, ito dito na tayo 425. Ito na yung room natin. Lagay natin yan. Ayan. And that's our room. Hello mga ka-fab! Welcome back to my channel. You are Gelsonified. So hindi pa tayo nakapag-intros. We have to do this so that we can just keep on rolling and for you guys to get to know another hotel review na gagawin natin ngayon. And we're back in Cebu City here at Golden Prince Hotel and Suites. Ayan. Tama ba? That's right. Ayan, okay. So, as usual, if you're still new to my channel, please subscribe and leave your comment and i-like nyo naman and i-share para ma-spread out naman tong revolution of, hotel guide review, and that would help others also in making their decision when they try to look for hotel or staycations especially in Cebu City. But of course, for now, let's just keep the ball rolling and hopefully sabayan nyo ako sa pag-check-in ko dito sa hotel na to, and I'll go you with my journey here and my experiences and the amenities, and of course, this is to be followed by another room tour. Tara! Wi-Fi check. Golden Moments 2024. Ayan, try na natin kung gumagana and kung malakas yung Wi-Fi nila. I'll keep you posted later if I'll do my office work. Later. Hello mga ka-fab! Ayan, nakapag-freshen up tayo ng konti. Nakapag-settle down na rin tayo and we're ready to go and explore interesting nearby places within the hotel area that are walkable. You might be asking, bakit puro ka na lang yung mga hotels na vlog mo sa Cebu or just within Cebu City? Don't you worry, that's one of my plans as well. In the future, we'll explore other hotels, not just in Cebu City. But for now, let's saturate every hotels na malapit dito within Cebu City. And for now, I'm sure I'm here in Golden Prince Hotel and Suites na sabi nila just like 2 to 3 minute walk to Ayala Mall. So let's do that. Let's explore mga ka-fab. Ayan, labas na tayo. And alam mo naman mga ka-fab, grabe yung init ngayon. Kaya ramdam mo talaga yung init paglabas mo ng hotel room mo. For me, in my case. Kung anong nakikita natin dito. Ayan, fronting the main road na yan pala. That's alright there. Ay, ito na pala. Hindi ko nakita. So, di ba 425 tayo? Labas lang and that's the elevator. And press ground. And as always, don't worry kasi explore din natin yung yung hotel na to, kung saan yung gym area, yung pool, yung restaurants, and kung yung mga cafe shops pa sila dito. That's what we're going to do. Meron silang parang Philcoa, parang selling chocolates, and they have bakery as well. Interesting. Tindahan ni Angkong. Interesting. Kay Angkong. Tindahan to ni Angkong. Yan. Ito yung mga prices. Masarap naman. In fairness. Tara, labas tayo. Hello. Punta tayong Ayala Mall. Tignan natin kung talagang 2 to 3 minute walk lang siya talaga. Let's see. Ay, meron yung maganda to kasi may 7-Eleven to, no? This is how the hotel looks like. If you're in the main entrance, ito how it looks like. Kunin lang natin ng shot. Ayan. There you go. Oh my God, may kotse. Ay, ang ganda dito kasi may pick-up coffee. So parang 24/7 yata yan siya. So you can grab coffee anytime. Guys, nakikita nyo yan? Elizabeth Hotel. How are you? Zoom na. Yan, Elizabeth Hotel. Kamusta na po? Please do check my previous vlogs. We've already vlogged that hotel. Elizabeth Hotel. Hello again. And walking, let's go to the mall. Magpalamig tayo doon, di ba? Okay naman magstay tayo sa room, but for the purpose of this vlog, para sa inyo mga ka-fab, let's explore the city that's close to my hotel, Golden Prince Suites, Golden Prince Hotel and Suites. Sira yung traffic light, tara na. Ilaban na natin to. Grabe, sakit sa ulo yung ingit, guys. Kasi naman it's 2 p.m. Katirikan na araw.
A few moments later.
Mga ka-fab, after natin kanina mag-mall tour, katirikan ng araw yan, that's like 2 p.m. Sobrang init. After natin nabili yung mga dapat na mga kailangan natin, mga needs natin for our stay here in Cebu City. After that, I went back to my hotel and I took a nap and I realized it was not just an ordinary nap, it's a long sleep, a deep sleep that I really need, a much needed rest, shall we say. So nakatulog tayo and gising tayo ng mga 8 p.m. and pumped up na ulit na naman yung adrenaline natin. So, ayan, gabi na. And this is how it looks like sa gabi. Wala kang makita kasi wala namang view talaga. And of course, itutour ko kayo sa hotel na to. There. Nag-alarm na pag hindi mo siya na-close ng maayos. Very good. That's good. Tignan natin ulit yung view dito. Sa side to ha, hindi pala to front. Yan. Check natin kung anong meron dito. Yan, dito pala yung front. This is the front. Yan. Ito yung kanina na nakita natin. Naglalakad tayo kanina mga alas 2 ng hapon. Pick up coffee. And yung harap na is Elizabeth Hotel. Akyat tayo ng isang floor pataas. Ito na yung 5th floor. Check natin ulit yung view. Akyat ulit tayo ng isa pang floor. Ayan, so 6th floor na to. Akyat ulit ng another floor. 7th floor na to. Hingal na ako ha. And let's go up another floor. Wala na, sarado na. Ayan. Tara mga ka-fab, mag-elevator na tayo pababa. Te, may swimming pool kayo dito, te. Ay, busy. Ayun. May swimming pool kayo and gym.
Swimming pool po, sir, wala.
Wala.
Meron kaming gym.
Ano?
Nasa 3rd floor po.
Open pa kaya?
Open pa hanggang ngayon, sir. Until 10 p.m. po open.
Until 10 p.m. Sige,
Yes, po,
puntahan namin ha.
sige
Okay,
po,
thank
sir.
you. Ako pala, walang namin. Thanks.
Sige po.
Guys, nasa 3rd floor daw. Check natin to. Dito na. So parang may office din pala dito. Okay, mga events na nangyayari sa... Parang event place, shall we say. So dito yung human resources office nila siguro. Ito yung mga function rooms nila. May naglilinis pa oh. So may clinic dito. Patatapos lang yung function dito, no? Dito pa yung events place. Mga dito hiniheld yung mga events. So 2nd, 3rd, and 11th. 11th? May 11th floor? 11th floor. Pero sarado na pag akito kanina. Yung hanggang 8 na lang. Bongga yung name ha. Hercules. That remembers me something. Ayan, thank you kuya sa pag-guide. Ayan, dito na daw. Ito na, quick shots lang ng mga equipment and dito sa gym area nila. Ang sabi guys, I am not fat. I am bold. Sabi pa dito, the body achieves what the mind believes. I agree. Good night.
The following day.
Good morning mga ka-fab. Mayong aga, Cebu City. This is another episode, another portion of my blog. We will show you the hotel breakfast food options here at Golden Prince Hotel and Suites. Shall we? Kain tayo. Four to five.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. I informed the receptionist a while ago to clean my room. What happened? When I went back here, the room is still a mess. Okay na lang, ma'am. Please. Ano nangyari? Thank you po. Okay, thank you.
One eternity later.
Guys, ano kaya itong 11th floor? Check natin. The Prince Hall, Bulawan. Na-curious ako eh. Let's see. Ay, ito. So, parang may church. Or may event. It's a big hall. It's the Prince Hall. Sorry naman. Okay. Na-curious lang ako kung ano to. Okay, guys. Thank you, mga ka-fam. Let's go down. Papakita ko lang sa'yo, guys, mga ka-fab, kung ano itsura sa gabi paglabas mo ng hotel. And of course, you'll see that. You'll see Pick Up Coffee and so close to Elizabeth Hotel. And this is how the hotel looks like at night. The Golden Prince Hotel and Suites. Ayan po. And of course, konting lakad lang. A little walk, and you reach the main street, the main road. There you go. And of course, that's the hotel again.
The next day.
Good morning, mga ka-fab. It's 2:30 a.m. I have to wake up early, that early, because we have an early flight to catch going to Cagayan de Oro City. So for now, we have to check out now and get settled downstairs at the receptionist's. Bye, room. And thank you, Golden Prince Hotel and Suites here at Cebu City. Until next time. Tao po. Morning. Checking out na po.
We'll have room check.
Sure. Okay. Thank you, Golden Prince Hotel and Suites. Madam, salamat. Bye, madam.
Bye-bye, sir. Have a golden day.
Aga ng duty mo, ha? Ingat. Thank you.